Hey guys, today we try to learn how we can add array items within Python. Now, Python array is mutable sequence. We know that, right? Which means that we can change or modify anything, any items within the array. However, items of same data type can be added within an array. Yeah. So you need to understand that we cannot change the data type or you will get a error. So Python does not have built-in support for arrays. It uses array module to achieve the functionality like an array. We know that, right? We have seen this. So adding item within array can be done using various methods such as using append. We have seen this function earlier. Yeah. Then we have extend method, and we have we'll not get into all this method detail. You can visit my relevant videos on these methods, which are already available to get more details about this method. We quickly, right now, what we are trying to understand is how we can add items. So there are three ways in which we can add items. So the first one was using, let's quickly, let me get the formatting. Okay. Using append method. Okay. So as we know, append method is used to add new element to an array. Uh, it accepts a single element as an argument and it will add the element at the end of the array. Yeah. So if you try to add anything, would be at the end of the array. Okay. Let me quickly show you how it is done. So suppose I import as array name. Yeah. I have this array as we have seen earlier. What I'm trying to do is my array dot append, and I am giving a value as 99. Yeah. So I'm trying to append this item and I'll get an updated array with the appended item. Now this appended item will be updated at the end of the array. So that is after the 55,555. So let's see what is the output. Here we can see the appended item has been added at the end of the array. Yeah, pretty simple. Not too. We are just looking at how we can add various items in arrays. So the second one that we are trying to understand is the insert method. Now, insert method is it is possible to add a new element at the specified index. So we can add element within the array at a specified position or a specified index using this uh, method. So how we do this? Let me use this same example of append. What we used is append, where we appended 999. Now what I'm trying to do is insert, but I want to insert 999 between 222, 2222 and 3333. Yeah. So I have to specify the position of the index. So that is, it is the position of the index should be 2. So I'll specify 2, comma. This is the value that I want to insert. Yeah. And let's print the array. Here we can see 999. 9,999 has been inserted between these two numbers where I wanted to insert. So apart from append that we have seen, append is used to insert any element at the end of the array or add any item at the end of the array. But using insert, you can add items within uh, to any position or any of the index value within the array by specifying that particular index number. Yeah. The next that we talked about was the extend method. Now, extend method is these two methods are used to add only one element at a time. But extend method can be used to add multiple elements within the array. Now, yeah, so the extend method is used to add all iterable elements but with the same data type. Yeah. So let me show you with an example. So import. So I have this. Then I have this new arrays which I want to extend or and this would be at the end of the array. So I want to have this multiple elements being added to the array. So I have used extend method. So you can see all the elements are automatically added using this extend method. So these are the three ways in which you can add items within an array. Depending on the use case, you can use these methods which you find suitable at that particular point of time or the way in which you want to run the program as. Yeah. Hope you understood how you can add items using various methods which are available. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. Do like it, share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Uh, do comment on the content of this video if you have any feedback or inputs, which will help my viewers to learn something new or add something to to their knowledge. Do subscribe to my channel. Do not forget that because that will help you to get all my videos automatically been intimated to you at your end. Thank you so much.